Wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to check Facebook video views. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app on your device. Then go to your profile. Now go on Reels section. Open in Reel, and here you will see number of views on a reel, but you cannot see accounts that viewed your reel. This is because Facebook have not rolled any such feature yet. Or maybe you are not using Facebook business account. Right now, you can see number of views on a video, but currently, you cannot see accounts that viewed your video. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.